My name is Susan Fast. I'm the director of the graduate program in Gender Studies and Feminist Research at McMaster University, which is housed in the Faculty of Humanities. Although we work with faculty, programs, departments, and students from all over campus. We have an MA program. We normally admit about 12 students every year, so it's a small program. Everybody gets lots of personal attention. And we also have a diploma program for PhD students who are getting a degree in another department at McMaster, but who can take the diploma if they are particularly interested in the study of gender, sexuality, or feminism. So my own research is on popular music, and if we're thinking about ways in which the study of gender and sexuality or feminism can help us answer questions about the contemporary world, I think it's incredibly important to look to popular culture. Popular culture is all around us, it's everywhere. Most of us listen to some kind of popular music. We're invested in certain kinds of popular music. Even if we are not particularly invested, it's hard to escape popular culture and popular music. It's so ubiquitous. So I'm interested in studying how people feel a sense of belonging when they are either producing popular music or consuming it. How does an investment in a particular kind of popular music help us connect ourselves to other people and to performers in whom we feel some kind of investment when we consume their music? And also, how does the choice to make a certain kind of music hinge on social questions like your gender, your race or your ethnicity or your national identity? Sometimes we think that music just happens in a vacuum, but actually the way sounds are put together, the kinds of sounds that people choose to make and listen to, are very much part of our social fabric. Some people have certain choices available to them, and other choices are not available to them. So, for example, if we think about the history of women in popular music, rock music has not always been an available genre for them to work in. It's getting more so now, but in the past it really hasn't been. I've just written a book on Michael Jackson, and my interest there was to talk about ways in which people think he transgressed normative boundaries of gender, of race, of ways of living in the world, none of which were particularly normative. So that's one study that I've just completed. I've also been interested in studying masculinity, not only in Michael Jackson, but I've written a book on Led Zeppelin, and the ways in which that kind of normative masculinity gets constructed, but then also how certain women who consume that music get invested. So one of my current projects is on tribute bands, all-female tribute bands to hard rock and heavy metal. So I'm working with bands that tribute Led Zeppelin, AC/DC, Iron Maiden, and how these women kind of flip gender stereotypes and how they are also defying expectations in terms of their ability to play this incredibly virtuosic music.